What service have you had done with Couto Construction?
We had them do the roof. It was done in a day. And we were so impressed. We had them come back and do the garage. And they'll be back in July to do the windows.
What was your experience like working with a family-owned business?
Oh, it was fantastic. The crew was excellent. The sales staff was, spot on. Everybody from Rob to Paulo to the crew,
Okay.
they were great.
Originally led you to reach out to us for your roof replacement?
Well, I wanted the best. You're not just buying a roof, you're buying, the service,
The quality.
the quality, the warranties. It was just an all-around great experience. It's a nice feeling, knowing it's going to be, outlast me, possibly. I hope not, but yeah, I'll call them again.
First project, what made you decide to trust us again?
Just the whole experience. It was seamless. What I thought was impossible, they made totally possible. It's a big jump to get involved in something this big. I had quick answers. It was just fantastic. I don't know what other word to use. It was great. They stayed in contact with me every step of the way, from appointments to questions. It was fun to watch. They even let me help. I wheeled the wheelbarrow of the old shingles into the dumpster.
Okay. Before working with us, what concerns or hesitations did you have about getting your roof done?
It was the money. It is an expensive, investment. They made it possible. What I thought was, completely out of reach. It was a no-brainer.
How would you rate the communication throughout the entire process? I know you touched on that a little bit.
Yep. From 1 to 10, it was a 10.
100%
yeah,
satisfaction. Yes.
We are really, really happy.